This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the free Caffeine app. That's the third-party tool that we will use in order to, fulfill our goal. So let's just go ahead and install it. It does not take a lot of time since the app weighs only just under 7 megabytes. So it's a very lightweight app. And once it has been successfully installed on your phone, just make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app is not closed, or in other words, stays active in the background, your screen will not automatically go to sleep at all. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.